I'm going to be cooking this chicken and bacon Caesar style salad with pepitas.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding?
Pepitas. Pepitas, yeah, that's how you say it. Alright, so I don't think there's a lot of cooking involved. I think you just need to cook like the chicken, that's it, and the rest of it just chuck it all in there and off you go. Alright, so got all my ingredients here. I'll have to check all the ingredients. Cucumber, lettuce, ciabatta. That's just like a type of bread, right? Snacking tomatoes, Caesar dressing, don't have that yet. We've got the Australian spice brand and pepitas. So we just need the chicken, the bacon, and the Caesar dressing. That should be in the fridge. Cook your Hello Fresh meal. First thing you do is grab all your ingredients. Caesar dressing, chicken, which is free from added hormones, by the way. Yummy, yum, yum. And diced bacon, which is already diced for you. I'm gonna make these chicken Caesar salad now. First thing you're gonna do is just cut up the chicken to like 2 centimeter pieces. I'm going to cut the chicken now. You can wash this if you want. I'm not going to wash this one. Right. So when you cut this chicken, obviously it's for a Caesar salad, so you're going to cut it into pieces that you can bite into, sort of thing. You don't want to cut it too big and too small. Just enough chunks, sort of thing. Or you can cut them into little strips, I guess. You have the olive oil. That's about a minute. You put it chicken and cook for 5 or 6 minutes until it cooks through. It's been about a minute already, so I put on a 5-minute timer. Once you've cooked that through, you add this is a spice blend. Now, what I find with Hello Fresh meals is it's very flavoursome. Okay, they always have the meat is either marinated. There's always a sauce that goes along with it, well seasoned. Yeah, they're really good meals. They're healthy meals, but they're also very tasty meals. Add the spice blend, oh gosh. And then cook for a further 1 minute until fragrant, they basically said. Into little pieces. That's real good bread, hey? That's delicious. This is much better than just croutons. It's like fresh bread. I don't normally eat the croutons in Caesars because I don't like it. I don't like crunchy croutons in salads. But I think I can eat this. This is very delicious. Okay, so you're just supposed to drizzle with olive oil. And then season to taste. Lettuce. So you got a Parmesan cheese, the lettuce, and half the dressing. Tomatoes at the bottom there. Like so. And tomatoes, and there's cucumber in here. Well, but whatever, you just have them on top. And bacon. The Caesar salad dressing over the salad. And a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And you've got these pepitas. You sprinkle them on. And there you have it. There's your Caesar salad. Voila! The salad there. How beautiful.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding?